Hi there. My name is George, and I just want to show you quickly demonstrate how to use your new template with the with your site. So pretty much, we apply this template to your development version of the site. I'll show you that later how to access that, and I'll provide you information through text files. The template has quite a few static blocks. Starting from top, this is pretty much a static block. The menu is a static block. You're probably accustomed to this because we used your custom block to settings to mimic the current menu that you have on your site. This is a static block. The banners is controlled by our banners manager. Static block, some featured products that are randomly pulled from your data inventory. Shop by category. This is controlled through the backend again. I'll show you that in a second. And the footer area, which is also built from the static blocks. So pretty much just going into the your admin, you're going to find under the CMS static blocks, you're going to find all of the static blocks that are currently presented on your site. With in addition to the static blocks that are in particular attached to the new template. So how you're going to determine which ones are the old ones in comparison to the new ones? Well, simply by going to the store view and selecting the dev and then applying the filter. This will pretty much bring you the same list as I was showing you before, as we have applied our CMS blocks to all of your store views. They are not currently affecting your current website because your current team doesn't know how to read all of these identifiers. So you shouldn't be worried about that. The list of these static blocks is also represented on the screenshots that we provide to you, which pretty much demonstrate which block is represented where. So we have the header underscore M, that's the CMS block for the free shipping. And if we find that header underscore M, which is right here, okay, this is the free shipping banner that you can see on top of your page. So it's a pretty common practice adding the blocks, editing the blocks, same as you are accustomed already to your current CMS blocks in a team. Nothing new. The only thing that you should follow is if the particular block has, or the section of a block has the classes such as this, like a last privacy, just make sure that that one is represented the last in the list that you want to present. So that's what it is to the CMS static blocks. If we go to the categories, and for example, the section here that I want to show you, right now there is a magenta logo showing up because there are no images or the thumbnails for these particular categories. That's just due to the way that your current theme is set up. But you can add these. So weeks by land, if you have added the thumbnail image here, that image will be represented here as well. And the only other thing that you should pay attention to is you can add as many as you want shop by category sections here in this particular part of the home page, just by clicking on the category and selecting featured category as yes. that will automatically make that category appear right here. You don't need to set up any extra links or anything like that, because that's all pulled automatically from your catalog. So let me just show you. This is a one. Okay, this is the home page. Static blocks, they're all in blue. We mark this particular section, the banner section, in pink, because you should be using YBiz Banners Manager. The video, if I click on this right here, I'll show you in a second. Okay, right now these banners are assigned to a development store view only. Prior to going live, you will be changing this to default store view, so it can be applied to your home page once the skin is made live. The banner position, it's carousel, which is the only banner position that we provide for this particular template. Banner description. Banner description is a iframe code that you will copy and paste either from the from the YouTube or Vistia or any video source provider. Banner name. This is just for your identification purposes, so you know which banner is the banner you are editing. The banner URL, obviously the URL where you want to lead your banner to. And of course the image. These images should be all in PNG format because you are using the white background, and these images should be transparent as well, or on a white background itself. So you can use the JPEGs as long as you use the white background. The order is the order in which the banner will be displayed, so it's an ascending order to display the banners in the on the home page. This is where those banners change on the front page. Another thing is the okay, this is the product list page. On the product list page, you've got in the left navigation, above the left navigation, you have another static block. This is the identifier for it. The same thing goes for this part here as well. And you also, in addition to that, you also get two spots for the banners that will blend into the product list page. So this is the banner CMS block. So we got the product list ads, and we got the product list ads bottom. So you have two CMS blocks. If you have to omit these banner blocks, the product list will be pretty much uniformed and displayed as this part here, so you won't get the blank space here. This only shows and formats like this if you have supplied the banners or the content for the CMS blocks. The next one is the product detail page. In the product detail page, there is two sections next to the this product description. One is the why buy from us, and the other one is shipping information. Let me show you that on the live site. Let's pick the product. Okay. So these are the two sections that I just explained. This is the common information that you're going to have across all of your products. Product detail pages, shipping information, and why buy from us. This is the two that I just showed you. And you also have another static block, the Shop with Confidence, which you will find in your list of the CMS blocks. On the shopping cart, you have three additional CMS blocks. One is the cart banner. The other one is the customer care CMS block, which is pretty much the menu list, and the secure checkout. Obviously, you can use these for any purpose you wish to use them for, and that's it. We will supply these screenshots with all the static blocks locations for the easier find. We adjusted the template so it fits your current module that you have for the options. We tested everything. In addition to that, we applied the one-page checkout, which will help you convert better with your review order summary to the right and the easy checkout on one page without too many buttons to press. So pretty much if I have just typed in my address, you can see that the shipping methods are pulled automatically, so I can just simply select the shipping method I want, and I will get my order summary here with the shipping and everything. Payment methods, credit card, check or money order, PayPal, everything is there. They can sign up for the newsletter and simply click the place order now, which makes this checkout much easier and more user-friendly. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, you may ask Ezra, and we will supply the answers to it. Already registered, this is for the already registered customers. They can simply just fill out this form and everything will be filled out for them. Thank you.